Welcome to Similar Movies Database. Today we are sharing the list of the best movies like The Others, American Horror Story, what physical and psychological horrors affect a decomposing family, workers and residents of an insane asylum, a count of witches, a cast of circus freaks, and the employers and guests at a struggling hotel in his launching anthology series, focusing on the themes of identity, sanity, oppression, discrimination, and addiction. Shutter Island. The impossible escape of a brilliant murderers brings United States Marshal Teddy Daniels and his new partner to a Shiv hospital, a fortress-like insane asylum located on a remote, windswept island. The woman appears to have vanished from a locked room, and there are hints of terrible deeds committed within the hospital walls. As the investigation deepens, Teddy realizes he will have to confront his own dark fears if he hopes to make it off the island alive. Insidious. Parents take drastic measures when it seems the new home is haunted and their comatose son is possessed by a malevolent entity. The Skeleton Key. Carolyn Ellis, a good-natured nurse living in New Orleans, quits her job at a hospice to work for Violet DeVerax, an elderly woman whose husband Ben is in poor health following a stroke. When Carolyn begins to explore the couple's rundown Bayou mansion, she discovers strange artifacts and learns the house has a mysterious past. As she continues to investigate, she realizes that Violet is keeping a sinister secret about the cause of Ben's illness. The Sixth Sense. Young Cole Sear is haunted by a dark secret. He is visited by ghosts. Cole is frightened by visitors from those with unresolved problems who appear from the shadows. He is too afraid to tell anyone about his anguish except child psychologist Dr. Malcolm Crowe. As Dr. Crowe tries to uncover the truth about Cole's supernatural abilities, the consequences for client and therapist are a jolt that awakens them both to something unexplainable. Are there any we missed? Let us know in the comments.